Hello students, welcome back to our channel. So the scholarship application for Abdullah University of Science and Technology is officially open for applicants who wish to apply for Masters and PhD program in Saudi Arabia. So in this video, I will guide you through the complete application process step by step. So make sure you watch this video until then so you don't miss any important information. So as you can see here, the official website for the application. I'll also leave the link in the video description. You can learn more about the scholarship details. So you can see the spring 2027 admission on one application deadline 27 September. On one decision, then spring semester started 17 January. While fall 2027, you can see the round 2 application open 28 September. Application will start. Round 2 application deadline is 3 January. Round 3 decision release 14 February, then fall semester start 29 August 2027. So full information about the scholarship, you can see the benefit of this scholarship is full tuition fee cover, accommodation, health insurance, monthly stipend, return airfare and other benefit. Then the eligibility criteria for the scholarship, relevant bachelor degree for master's program, then relevant master's degree for PhD program, and English language proficiency, you can see, and you must have GPA 3.0 on a scale of 4. The required documents for this scholarship application include academic transcript, your updated CV, then statement of purpose, contact information of 3 referee, which means your recommenders, then English language test score, then passport data page. So to start your application, just click on this apply. Then you can see the section here. You can learn more. So you can see the available program for this application. Feel free to read all information to know about the scholarship program. So Masters and PhD program. You can see Applied Mathematics and Computation Science. Masters for 2027. You can apply for also for direct PhD, which means Masters and PhD for. Then you can see physics, applied physics, bioengineering, bioscience, chemical engineering. So here the available program. So let me go with this computer science. You can see for 2027, I will click on apply. Then if you are a first time user, then click on create account and write this information. Click on continue. They will share email address to you containing information about the application. Verify your account, then create a password, then come back to login. So I already have an account. I will come back to login. So I will click on login. So then click on login. So here we go. So you can see if you don't, then you can see I have already started 2 application. I go to the 2027 file and 2026 and 2027 file. So we click on this start new application. So I have already started application. I'll click on this and continue. So you can see they started the application open today 25 August. Then the deadline for the application, as I explained earlier, you can see this 27 September. Okay, so open application. Then you can see information instruction about the application. Before you begin, please ensure you have the following information document ready. You can see official university transcript, curriculum vitae, statement of purpose, official language, English language test score, then your passport photograph or national ID card, then contact details of 3 referee, and here are some information you need to understand also. So I'll click on continue. So this instruction, I will provide this information. I will click continue. Then the next section is sponsorship. So are you sponsored by a third party for your Abdullah University studies? No, I'm planning a fully funded myself. No, I am seeking a fully funded contest. So I click on this. Then that part I will click on continue. Then next information is instruction. Please use the selection category below to choose the program of study from which you wish to apply for. Degree program, PhD applicant are accepted for both Cyprian and Polytech. MSc program offer for the foreign entry only. So most experience also offer an integrated MSc pathway, which means direct PhD here with entry point varying by the program specifically requirement for. So which year semester do you wish to begin your story at KAUST? I will say fall 2026 or 27. Fall 2026, I think it is January 2027, so I'll click on this. While fall 2000, spring 2027 is I think September 2027. So I will go with this. Degree type, I will go with MSc program. I will say computer science. You can see the available program here by engineering. So I have already selected computer during the registration. Internet application, are you currently enrolled on a degree program? No. In faculty intern, have you discussed your application with the member? No. But you can upload this one. You can select the name of the supervisor. This is optional also. Previous application, have you previously applied for the course? I see that no. Institutional agreement, are you applying as part of institutional agreement between you institution? I will say that no. I will click on continue. Then instruction, my academic record, the name of the institution here. Let me see. Scan copy of digital of your transcript. Then I will click on this. I will look for my transcript. I will click on save. Academic standing, have you ever been dismissed or suspended from your academic institution? No. I will click on continue. The next step is statement of purpose and my academic CV. So the statement of purpose on using will help the faculty admission committee in evaluation your application. So statement of purpose, please compose a statement of purpose minimum of 70. You can see 750 words discussing the following three things. So you can use this prompt and write your statement of purpose, past work and preparation in your intended field of study, academic plan for your graduate study and research at Ken Abdullah. How will you experience at Ken Abdullah graduate student follow your career plan immediately following your graduation and beyond? So don't forget the letter should be max 750 word. So I'll upload my letter here. I'll just go with this. Then my academic curriculum letter, which is my CV. They say please organize a summary of your job experiences, research experiences, and any other relevant information. My resume here, my CV. Then I will click on continue. So the next step is standardized test, which means English proficiency test. So they are asking me, have you taken a GRE exam? I will say that no. Do you plan to take a GRE in the future? Valid 5 years standard official score. So this GRE is an examination. Usually most of the Saudi Arabian universities ask for that apart from those to participate on the study in Saudi portal. So most of the universities ask for this GRE. So do you plan? I will say that yes. Intended though, let me just go with no. Postgraduate general aptitude test. Have you taken the GVAT exam? I will say that no. Then English language proficiency. Have you complete your post-secondary education in USA? So if you graduate from this country, your exemption from English proficiency test, else you must provide English language proficiency test, either IELTS, TOEFL, Duolingo English language test. So as someone who graduate outside this continent, I will select this no. Then I will please select the English language test, Cambridge. You can see the option IELTS, personal test English. I have not yet taken anyone. So if you have not yet taken any English test here, you can just go with this and click on continue, else you can select this one, then provide test date, test report number, results, reading, then provide the information of your test, upload the IELTS certificate here. So let me just go with I have not yet taken an English test. I'll click on continue. So research, presentation and publication details. Do you have any lab research experiences? If yes, click on yes. Then you need to provide additional information about the research you have, else click on no. If you don't have it, then click on continue. So having this can definitely increase your chance of getting accepted. So the next section is a reference. So you add at least place of your signature, please type your full name. So you type your full name, then send. So recommender, make sure you have a contact with your recommender so that she can be able to receive the email address. I have write the details of my referee. You can add another referee. You add at least 3 recommender information. So your recommender will receive an email address from the court from the Abdullah University asking him to provide a recommendations letter in support of your application. So make sure you have access to your recommenders. Click on continue. Then click on continue. So the next section is other information. So please enter your course ID if you have previously been assigned one. I don't have anyone. Is any family member or someone you have a close person relation employed of the course? I will say that no. Are you the first in your immediate family to have taken a degree? So if yes, no. Say that no. Are you currently enrolled on the KC program? No. Have you previously attended KC or an event or vision? Say that no. So how did you hear about KAUST? So you can select any of the information here, advertisement, or click on continue. Then the next is signature. So you have to declare all the information here. So write your full name, click on continue. The next section is to review information and make sure all the information you provided are submitted accurately. So we have detected the following error with your application. This error must be corrected. So you can see they say that I must submit at least 3 recommender information. So since I'm just making this video in order to guide you how to submit the application, I think no need to go back and add at least 3 recommender information. So when it comes to you, make sure you add 3 recommender information. So once everything is correct, then you will see a submission button or save for later if you need to make some adjustment or make some changes. So this is how you submit your application to the King Abdullah University of Science and Technology Masters or PhD program. So I hope this video guide you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can also join our WhatsApp channel for information about study abroad opportunities, including their benefit, requirement, and how to apply. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.